Let's write functions to represent each problem situation. And we're using our exponential functions here. One thing to keep in mind is when you make a deposit into a bank account and then you're earning interest, we're going to be using the growth model. So that's this one right here. So it says Rana deposits $500 into a compound interest account. The interest rate for the account is 4%. So we need our starting value is A, so 500. And then our rate, remember you have to divide by 100. So 0.04, and then to the t power. We don't know how much time. It doesn't say how much time, so you can just leave it as a t. For number 2, Leon deposits $250. So our A value is $250. And then our rate is 6%. And you have to remember to divide by 100. And we don't know how much time, so we're going to leave the t as just a t. So we've now written a function, and we can graph both of those and see how much money Rana and Leon would have over time. So if we took Rana, for example, 500 times 1.04 to the t power, and we have to change it because our starting value is 500 and this doesn't go up high enough. So let's change that to like 700. And you can see she starts with $500 right here. And over time, this is how much money she's going to have. So you could, if you wanted to, figure out how much money is in her account after any amount of time. So like 5 years, she's going to have $608. Maybe after 20 years, let's say she leaves it in there for a really long time, she's going to have $1,095. So the longer she leaves in the money, the more interest she's going to earn. And then for Leon, if he deposits $250, so he's depositing less, but his interest rate is higher, you'll notice. So $250 for him. But he's earning more interest. He's got 6%. So in the beginning, he doesn't have as much money, only makes $334, but then over time, it's increasing. So maybe at like 30 years, you can see he's going to have $1,435. Of course, if you started with a larger amount in the beginning, you're going to make more money over time. So if you start with like $1,000, for example, it grows really, really, really fast, like the starting amount.